How to make a TikTok Lite account. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make a TikTok Lite account. To make a TikTok Lite account, all we need to do is open up our TikTok right here. Once our TikTok has been opened up, to make ourselves a Lite account right here, all we need to do is, here you will see sign up. Press on the sign up button. Easy as that. Right there, you can click on sign up right there, or you can just continue with Google or continue with Facebook. If you have a Facebook account, you can continue it with that, or if you have Google, you can continue with that. And let's say you want to have a account using your mobile number, you can use phone number or you can use your email depending on you. So you can click or continue with Google. Once you click on continue with Google, that's the most easiest part. You will just have to choose which Google account you have, or if you only have one Google account in your phone, that will be the one that you will be able to choose from. Then after pressing on that, you will have yourself a TikTok account. Or if you want to use your phone or email, you can also do that. You put in your phone number, then after putting your phone number, you just have to, it will now send a code. So once that code has been sent, all you need to do is type in the code. After typing in the code, you just need to enter in a password and then you're done. You will have yourself a TikTok account. Same with the email as well. You can just put in your email right there. If you continue with Facebook, it will just open you to your Facebook or your browser, your Chrome. It will lead you there, and then there you will have yourself to just register just very fast. So yeah, there you go. That's how easy it is. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions or concerns, you can always leave it down question below, guys. I will answer as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one, and thank you guys, Bye, guys.